This will be our cold start and partial walk around video of our 1999 Porsche Carrera convertible. Normally, I push the cars out, close the garage door, and do the cold start outside. But I thought for a change, we would take a look at our owner's car guy garage. Car guys love to see how other car guys live, and this is definitely one to note. So this is our car's natural habitat here. And just to show you what kind of a car guy we're dealing with here, as you can see, we've got a lift in the background. We have other toys. We've got parts of toys that are stowed away, including the immaculate hardtop of our car. And it is up there safe and sound, tucked away, safely stowed. Over here, we have our original exhaust for the next owner to have. He can swap back out if he wants to for our B&B, but both are going with the car. So you see custom workbench, you see battery tenders, you see all kinds of goodies. You see an awesome audio system for great sounds while you're out here working. So this is some serious car guy cred here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the garage door. She is ice cold. In fact, has not moved since we picked her up from our PPI in detail. So when I say she's cold, she's cold. I'm gonna go ahead and open all the doors. Front hatch, rear hatch, our frunk. I'm going to touch the motor, show you that it is ice cold. So I'll start and show you that all of our easy entry features are working perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. See, the window sink is perfect. I'll do the same over on the other side. Easy peasy on both front and rear. Displayed the light in pictures, but you see she is working, and we are ice cold. Using the back of my hand so that I don't get anything on the interior when we go for the drive, but it is literally, everything's cool to the touch. So hasn't been running, I'd say week and a half. Come around over here. Again, demonstrate the easy open feature. And come around up front to the frunk. One-handed. See, I'm barely gonna bring her up and she's gonna go ahead and take off because we just had those struts replaced per our PPI, along with the battery, along with the complete inspection, oil change using full Liqui-Moly synthetic. Very much like our owner keeps as backup. So, absolutely fantastic condition throughout. We'll go ahead and take our time. We'll get her outside. Here is our wind deflector in the factory case, in immaculate condition. Like new. There's our spare. Fantastic condition on every surface. Carpeting, leather, plastic, hard or soft, everything is just outstanding. See even crevices where the bolts are. And it's just outstanding throughout. All the trim is perfect. You can see all the little patterns, little dimples. Everything is just outstanding. All lenses are absolutely clear. I think we've got close-ups of that in our pictures. Come around to the back. Glass is absolutely clear. All of our glass is just in perfect condition. I think I noted that in our warm start video. We are under fluorescent light here. There's not a crack, there's not a mark, not a scratch. It's just outstanding. Even the bumperettes are just in near perfect condition. No scuffs, no scratches on the bumper surfaces. Excellent in here. Would like to note that with our detail, they did not touch the engine compartment. So this is as bad as it's gonna be. It's really just fantastic. All our original stickers are intact. Everything is there. Here's our other side lens. It's just beautiful. Really, aside from a museum piece, I don't know where you're gonna find a driven car that is this clean. Still has the little original factory green. Not sure if it's on this side or not. So go ahead and put this guy down. We'll let it shut. Just perfect, perfect. As I mentioned in the other video, just all the gaps, outstanding. Car has never been apart. Everything on this car is just exquisite. The detail, the wheels, tires, age and condition, I believe, noted in the pictures. Just have a little bit of road rash on this right rear wheel. It's really not much to speak of. It's on the very, very end. We decided not to have that touched with the PPI. I'm sorry, with the detail. They did offer to put some silver paint on there for us, but we wanted to present it as absolutely honestly as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and notice, obviously, all our lights are working over there as well. So one hand this guy, easy shut. Same over here. Bring it down, latch it into place. Same gaps, just perfect all the way around, everywhere. Everything on the car is butter smooth. Everything fits as it should, opens and shuts as it should. Really can't even say as it should, like new. Even areas that handles, every places that you'd think that there would be marks, there is nothing. So same, we'll shut this side. Easy up. Everything is just superb. I think I noted the rear window condition. It's just fantastic. You can see the racks overhead, clear as day. Mirror, the side's just as perfect. You can see the reflection in the reflection. So go ahead and get in. Apologize for the planes going overhead. It's that time of day. We do have all keys spare, and we have another master. So we'll go ahead and put her in. See, ice cold, no temp reading. Idle is just beautifully smooth. 16 miles on the full tank. Current mileage. Now we will do our up close and personal condition walk around. Sorry for the partial shade. Y'all are on an alley. Don't want any issues with anybody coming by and getting a little too excited. I mentioned in the other video, really next to no flaws on this car. There isn't a dimple, a nick, a dent, a ding, anything on this car. Absolutely fantastic. Only place there is anything at all is in the nose. I believe I showed that in the other video. Just sounds superb. B&B exhaust. Window frame, top condition, I think I showed on the last video. It's just superb, especially for a first year. A lot of these were just used as disposable cars, but this one has truly been well taken care of, well updated, fantastically, meticulously serviced, no expense spared. I mean, even the crinkle layer is still very, very visible. It's just unbelievable. The divider mark, everything is just utterly spectacular. Better in this light, see it's the same crinkle layer, divider lines, and you can look down this car from any angle. You will not find any imperfections. Kind of dents, stings, scratches, nicks, shade or in the sun. Either side is just superb. Go ahead and get some more temp into her. We'll take her for a spin.